Good morning. Oh, shit. I'm dropping me goggles. Good morning, Cali gang. And welcome back to the channel. To Cali Tow, the coolest tow truck driver on the road. Yeah. Welcome back, y'all. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hope you guys enjoyed the 1 hour and I think 13 minutes of a video yesterday. Today is another day. Hopefully it's not too crazy. According to the tow company that I work for, we no longer run calls in this city of Fontana. They took away our calls here completely and shoved us all to San Bernardino. At least that's what I think, because they said, that's what they told me, but I think that there are still some tow truck drivers out here from our company, because I didn't see a shit ton of tow trucks at the yard. And I feel like I was the only one that grabbed it. Even though I started at 5, I couldn't start right away because my truck was still at the shop getting its hydraulics done. I was leaking, if you guys seen that footage from yesterday, I was leaking hydraulic fluid a lot during the tows. And finally picked it up. I'm in it now. I tested out the hydraulic and it's like, it's just crazy. It's like the Terminator on crack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Still kind of drizzling. It was raining this morning, then it stopped. It's pretty bipolar over here. But let's head to Highland. But first, make sure you guys drop a like, you guys drop a comment, and you subscribe if you're new to this channel. If you're returning, welcome back, y'all. Make sure you guys hit the description box below and you follow all the links. It's not a lot. Trust me, it's not a lot. It's like 2 YouTube channels and my music Spotify. That's it. Just hit it and roll my intro.
Let's go!
So we got a Kia Spectra going 2 miles from pickup to drop-off point. So let's get it. Here we are. Man says that he's parked at garage 9F. I think this is him right here. I'm assuming it's probably in the garage. Hopefully we can get it out. Supposed to be Kia Spectra. How you doing, boss? Does it move?
It won't start. I have to push it out.
Is it because it's dead or?
I'm not sure what's going on.
I have a jump box if you want to try to jump it.
What's that?
I have a jump box if you want to try to jump it. If not, we can push it out.
Okay.
Yeah? All right, let's check it out. Chances are, if they don't know what's wrong with it, there's a possibility that you can just jump it. Right? Where the hell are my gloves? Oh, there it is. Because if they don't know what's going on, most of the time you can jump it. Unless they know what's going on. It's a 50-50 chance, but majority of the time, you could jump it, even with a bad alternator. All right, could I get around that way or? Let's see. A little crowded. Yeah, you're good. So it's been sitting for a while, or what's going on?
No, it's stopped. I used it on Friday.
Uh-huh.
I used it Saturday or Sunday, and then yesterday morning when I went to drive to work, it wouldn't turn on.
Oh, okay. Does this stay up, or?
Yeah, there's the things right here.
Oh, okay, couldn't see that. And this is a new battery, huh?
Yeah, I just got the battery in
Not too
December.
long ago, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And, it would start. It would. If I turned it on, the lights would come on and everything.
Yeah.
But the radio wouldn't come on.
So only enough to power on the light, huh?
Yeah, and then it would just go.
Oh, so it tries to start. So maybe it's drained somehow, because it's giving you some form of life, but it's not strong enough to turn it over.
I wasn't sure what was going on. I thought maybe.
Could be the battery. I mean, you might have left something on maybe since Friday, and usually that's the case, because if it's trying to turn over, what you're hearing is a starter trying to turn. So, but not enough juice to really power on the engine, because that takes more power. So.
Yeah, that's what at first I thought it was, just something, not the battery, but then I was like, well, the radio's not coming on, so maybe it's not having enough juice to do the battery.
Yeah. Go ahead and try it. Nothing? Oh, okay. It's definitely connected. Let's see. Let me see what it's doing. You're good. You can stay there, yeah. So not even nothing. Well, you got, you have dash lights, but it's not starting.
We had more lights came on yesterday, like the thing that says like try.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see. Your voltage is reading on your battery. It's reading 5.5. So that's pretty low. I don't think it's the battery. It could be your alternator that went out. The reason why your battery got drained and the reason why it's not trying to start. So, but don't quote me on that. It could be the possibility. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So.
I was kind of looking it up, and it said like could be the starter, could be the alternator.
Yep. Okay. So it's only going less than 2 miles. It's a shop. It's going to a shop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. So just go ahead and pop it into neutral, and then we're gonna try to get it behind my bed over there. Is it the first time it ever happened?
No, it happened. It didn't do exactly the same thing, but I actually did have the alternator repaired before.
When? How long ago?
That was a couple years ago.
Okay, is it still under warranty or no?
I'm not sure.
Okay, let me put this back and then we'll go in and push it out, okay? Now the only problem... Now I see why people carry those little small dinky jump boxes. You know what? I don't like those. I'd rather have a heavy duty jump box than a puny little 5 jumps jump box. Okay, as I mentioned, the company bought me this. All right, so now I have to pull this forward just a little bit. Probably gonna line it up right here. Let me move this. Let's go. All right, let's do it. Go ahead and hop in and I'll go ahead and give you that push. and just turn it to the left, and we're gonna try to push it towards my truck.
Okay.
Go ahead. All right. Let's see here. Go ahead, turn it. Careful. Keep going. Okay, stop. And then turn it to the right. Gotta give me the strength. Just takes patience. Patience, patience. Gotta be careful. Oh, what a workout. Yeah, if you like, you can push from the door. There you go. Yeah, I know. I deal with this often. Okay, you can leave it like right there. Yeah, that's cool. I'll hook up to it real quick. Yikes. Oh. Woo. I go and put it in the parking brake. Jesus Christ. Come on, man. You see that? He almost crashed into my bed. Oh my God, dude. This man, dude. God. That would have been one hell of a content. I know y'all would have wanted to see that, but I didn't. Wouldn't have been my fault. Truck's not as fast, but it's all right. It works. You have the key in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ta-da, yeah. Duh. Ghetto winch. I ain't heard that in a while. Let's get it, boys. Sir, baby. Feel about Steelies. because of the steelies and the brakes is blocking the steely hole. So there's this. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna strap it all. It up. All right, let's go. All right, you riding with me? Okay. Tires flat. Let's go. I'm gonna see you out the drop-off point. What's going on, man? No, it doesn't.
Okay, never mind.
Just one of these spots?
No, park it at that, see that back building?
Yeah.
Right in front of it at that window, facing down, please.
Okay. In the lines or no?
Yeah, you don't have to.
Like on the side?
My car is.
Okay.
No, just like that.
All right. Yes, sir. Let's go. That means I gotta do a turnaround. It's all good, ain't nothing new to me. You know what I'm saying? We do this thing. This is how we do this thing, you dig? Not like yesterday's video. That damn crashed Silverado. Or no, sorry, not a Silverado. It was a GMC Sierra. No, it was a Silverado. Yeah, it was a Silverado. I had to park it on the grass. You know what I'm talking about? This ain't nothing, boy. Tell you what, if you're a first-time tow truck driver, this could be very intimidating if you don't know what the hell you're doing. I'll drop it right here.
Let's do it.
Let's go. This is how perfect I know it's gonna be. My box is gonna end up sliding right to us. Watch. Watch the box. Come to me. And it's gonna stop right where we are. Watch. Come to me. Boy, was I wrong. You guys miss the jump cut videos? 'Cause I don't. You know how much editing that is? Screw that. The only thing that I edit is when I'm talking. Shoot. And public information. It's the only time that I edit. But other than that, I can get these videos put on my computer and upload it. Just like that. Schedule it for upload. Because I don't have to sit there and do jump cut, jump cut, jump cut, jump cut, jump cut. I don't gotta do none of that. Literally, I get them done in like probably 20 minutes or so if my son is asleep. You know what I'm saying? The hell is this place? Just kind of hidden in the back of a shop. It's definitely something. They got them colorful ass drapes up top. You just see like a little girl in a white dress peeking out the window, and this place is all closed. But I'll be terrifying. I feel like I just manifested it or something, and it just happened. I don't know. I kind of got these chills when I said that, looking up at the windows. You know what I really want? I really miss doing long trips on everything. I really miss doing long trips. Kind of hope to get a long trip, you know? Like, let's go to Santa Ana. Or something. Drop off like in LA. I don't want to be out here. I'm trying to take a whole day, yo. I should just ask my dispatch. Send me on a long trip. Let me ask her. You guys think she has something that's going far? I'm gonna ask her. What do you guys think she's gonna say? Pause this video and drop it in the comments. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Pause this video right here. Drop it in the comments and let me know what you think she's gonna say. Yes? No? She gonna send me somewhere far? Let's find out. I'm gonna text her as soon as I drop this. Damn, man. I don't know about going far in this. You guys can see that they've replaced yesterday my return hose for my hydraulic fluid. That clean hose right there. I should take this. Nah, I shouldn't. I'm not gonna be a dick today. Actually, I'm always a dick, but I'm not gonna take the cone. Things I don't understand is how the hell do they do this to their door? Okay? Nothing I don't understand is how does your key look chewed up? Oh, you probably got a dog, if anything, my boy. Let's drop her. What if I just manually pulled the winch cable and this thing just goes flying off the bed with the winch cable on it? Alright, let's stop it right there and let's drop the rest, because I don't like it when my hooks get stuck underneath. That becomes a pain in the ass sometimes when it gets caught. So we're gonna unhook it and we're gonna roll this bad boy down. Let's go. There's that, sir. Bing bong. Hooker body ass. Tighten it up. And we're good. Let's rock, fellas. Alright, comment down. I hope you guys made your comment already. I'm about to text her as soon as we drop off these keys here. Who do I give the keys to? There you go, my man.
Hey, yo, some
Yeah.
donuts or something with snacks.
Oh, hell yeah. That'll help me out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh. Oh, okay.
So donuts, sandwich, salads.
Oh, nice, man. Look at you got. They're different in every box, huh?
No.
Oh, salads. Okay.
Whatever
Salads.
you want to get them.
Okay, appreciate it, man. Thank you. Donuts. What is this? Ready-made meals. chicken Alfredo. Sounds good. You got sandwiches, huh? I'll get the sandwich. Oh, there's more here? Huh? Okay.
Right there, the microwave.
Oh, the microwave's inside? Oh, more sandwiches. Okay.
Right behind the wall.
Okay. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Cream cheesecake. I'll get this one here. Get that and this. Yes, sir. All right, I'll take this, you guys. Thank you, huh? Appreciate it, guys. Come up, come up, come up. Damn. Hooked it up. I just saved myself $6. Actually, $7. You know, I don't get paid enough for this job, but let me tell you, sometimes people give you things. It could be a tip, it could be some weed, it could be some booze, or it could be some food. And sometimes it's even as good as advice. They can give me advice as a tip. I can use that to my everyday knowledge. Good with me. All right, so now I'm about to text my dispatch that I'm 98, which means that I'm done. And let's see what she says. Let's see what she says about sending me a FAR call, yeah? Let's do it. Look, 98, do you have a FAR call? I said fat call. That swipe option doesn't always work too well. FAR call for me. Trying to go on a vacation run. All right, let's see what she says, guys. I hope you guys already dropped your comment, and let's see what she says. All right, gang, so she got back to us and she said, laugh aloud right now. Nope. So if you said no, you took the W, baby. I was thinking about on my downtime, we go explore. What do you guys think? You guys think I should start doing that? Like when I don't have a call, because I can't go back home, I gotta stay out this way. So like if I do see something, we're gonna get out of this truck and go park this baby and let's go for a walk. All right, you guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Really not much happened. Literally one call and that was about it. Pretty easy day. I'm trying to go on a little long vacation on a longer call, man. But whenever that's available. But thank you guys for watching the whole video. If you made it to this point and you haven't already subscribed, what the hell are you doing? Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the coolest tow truck driver on the road, Cal Tow. Make sure you guys hit the description below. Follow all the links. Subscribe to my other YouTube channels. Follow me on Instagram at RealSavvy6. And remember, it's about peace, love, unity, and respect. I'm gonna see y'all next time, man. Peace.